it's Robin from Roamingwithrover. We got a big package here. It's a big package. It's kind of heavy. And it's from Herrschners. We do like the Herrschners packages. Yes, we do. So, let's see what we got here. Herrschners. It's big. I already cut it open. It's got one of those plastic bags that we like. Oh, there's a few things in here. Ooh. Look at that pretty kit. Yeah. So, we got the yarn in the plastic bag. And it's the Herrschners 8, which we know we like this, the worsted 8. Worsted 8 yarn, 100% acrylic, 489 yards, so almost 500 yards here. So we got 2,500 yards on this. Medium weight 4. Let's see. Yep. Again, and it has held true on every one of these. There's two different labels. There's this label and there's this label. And the ones with this label are much softer than the ones in this label. And at first I thought it was just the coloration, but it is not. So whenever they updated, they changed their process a little bit, and it's softer. It's definitely softer. Not that this is bad, but this is definitely better. So what are the colors we have here? We have Aran and Army. Ooh, that's a pretty one. Is this more Aran? Yep, more Aran. I bet you this is spice. Nope, chestnut. Looks like the spice a lot. And, oh, this one's pretty. Look at that. Plum wine. I was about to call it eggplant. And that's the pattern. Autumn squares. I just like the leaves on that. It really, really caught my eye. And let's take a look at this pattern. Oh, it's only a couple of pages. I thought it was thicker than that. Lots of words, 2 pages. 4 colors, 46 by 56, so it'll be a decent size. Intermediate, eye hook. And so the stitches, this is what I always look for on these patterns. What kind of stitches am I going to be making? We're going to do a chain, slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, triple crochet, join as you go. I've never done that before. That'll be cool because I don't like squares. I'm kind of surprised I got this because I really don't like hooking squares together. So that'll be awesome if I could learn join as you go. If I can't figure it out from here, I'll be asking you guys because you guys know everything. And I depend on you to teach me all this stuff. Machine wash and dryable, which is what I like in a blanket. Because around here, yeah, I want it to be able to go into the wash. See my temperature blanket? I love being able to set it out here for my videos. It won't stay. This couch is like Naugahyde. I don't know, it might be real leather. It's everything slips off the back of that. I have even pulled the couch forward and like tucked it behind it, and it still ends up falling off. So I just put it back up there all the time because I like having it there. I like being able to show it. See, it's going to start to come up. It's starting to come up already. There we go. So I like using something that I made. All right, so that is, whoops, get that yarn caught in the zipper. That is the Autumn Squares Afghan. Do you guys like this? I know, I remember seeing it in the book and I just went, oh, I have to have that. What else is in here? Oh, cross stitch. That's why it's so heavy. The cross stitch stuff is always so heavy. And I got a DNC thing. I do not see a packing list. Maybe it's buried in here. Ooh, ooh. Got some cool stuff here. All right. Here's the packing list and all the ads. Just throw those away. $24 for that Afghan. That's a deal. Yeah, that's a deal. Plus my 10% off that I always get for everything. So, okay, let's see what we got here. This is called, oh, this is a set of pillowcases. The Shells collection. So it's got seashell design on there. I like that. So that'll have 2 pillowcases in there. And they're decent pillowcases. They've got the little bit of edging on them. That pearl edging that finishes it off. So that's nice. And it has 10 different colors, so not bad. Oh. This is called Puppy Prints pillowcases. Pillowcases must have been on sale this week. Puppy Prints pillowcases, and there's a little dog prints on there. And there, look at that. How cute is that? Yeah, I like that. I like the little dog prints. And 1, 2, 3, 10. Yep, 10 colors for this one. So each of the prints must be a different color. Let's see, what did we pay for those? $12 and $12. Not bad. Okay. Ooh. This is cool. It's a table runner. It's just the table runner, not the napkins, even though it shows the napkins in the picture. How cute is that for Halloween? Oh, I love it, love it, love it. Yeah. So the fabric is gray instead of white like normal. So it gives it that extra punch. I like that a lot. That was $14. They call it Creep It Real. Cute, cute, cute. Oh. Home Sweet Home, but it's got a puppy print with a heart in the middle. And these are kitchen towels. Those are cute. And that has 8 colors, so that won't be bad at all either. Very nice. So you can just see the beginning of it right there. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. I like everything so far. And that was $9. And then the last thing in here is called the Gotta Love Java. Set of towels, kitchen towels. And they're cups with hearts. Remember, I love hearts. Anything with hearts on it there. You can just barely see the heart on there. Yeah. And these were $12. I like every single thing that I got in here. All of it, all of it. All of it, all of it. Boy, it's hard to pick a favorite out of this batch. Hard to pick a favorite. I'm leaning towards this. I'm leaning towards the paw print pillowcase. But this is going to be fun too. That's going to be a lot of fun too. And of course our beauteous blankie. That's so cool. So cool. And that, see, here's something else that I'm gonna have to learn that's new. See how in the middle of the leaf you do kind of a chain? It looks like a chain on the outside of on the top of the leaf. Yeah, I have no clue how to do that either. So we're gonna be learning some new things with this project. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. So that's it for today. What do you guys like best? Which item do you like? Do you like these cross-stitch things? I love them. I have done cross-stitch. Oh, no, that's not true. I was going to say before crochet. But no, I learned crochet when I was a little kid. But I think I set it aside. And I picked up the cross-stitch. It was funny. One of my kids' babysitters taught me how to cross-stitch. So she would come over with her little cross-stitch projects. And I, of course, immediately fell in love. And so she taught me how to cross-stitch. So I was an adult when I learned how to cross-stitch. But I really like it. I really, really like it. Good thing, because we have got a lot of cross-stitch projects around here, don't we? All right, that's it for now. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.